welcome back to my channel, friends. Thank you so much everyone for watching. If today is your first time of seeing this video, hello, my name is Becky. Thank you so much guys for stopping by. In today's video, I just feel like to bring you guys along with me. If you're the type of parents, you are working a full-time, you're always busy, you just want to do something quick in the kitchen before you start your night duty, this video is for you. Tonight I'm back, my holiday is finished, so I'm back to work tonight. So I just want to make it quick, full of nutrition, full of nourish pasta for my children. It's full of vitamins, but in a quick and affordable way. So I just want to share with you guys. So guys, don't forget, I'm going to be diverse all this video to my new channel. So this video here, this platform here is going to be like a remedy. If you go to my about, it's about remedy, not about cooking or about a family event. So my new channel is going to be, I'll be trying to put the link below. The new channel is going to be about family cooking, baking. I love baking, I love cooking. So guys, please put it in mind. Don't forget to go there and follow me. I really appreciate you guys. I don't have a lot of you, but I have a lot of subscribers. Wow. So guys, please go to Bekkyshow to subscribe to my new channel. Even me too, I can't even find it on YouTube, to be honest. So maybe I'll be putting the link below until we start growing. So today after this I want to bake my favorite dessert, and after that anything I'm going to be baking is going to be on the new platform. So I'll start going that. I want to base on my bakery career on that. I love baking. I do catering course here. That was 2000s. I do a catering course here 2000. So I love baking. So the new channel is going to be based on me and my kids, how to clean your house, how to cook. So this will be based on my remedy. So guys, so today we are cooking pasta, and this pasta is full of nutrition, vitamins for kids growing, but quick. Within 10 minutes you finish, and it's only cost under €5 if you make it at the kids. Yeah. So guys, there's nothing big here. So we're going to use minced beef. Okay, this only costs, it's half price now. You can see 30% discount, and it's now $174 for the whole family. And this is the sauce, and this only costs €2, $1.99. So that is €2. Mascarpone is only 99, let's say €1 as well. And this 45 cents, 38 cents. 5 of this, I think I paid €2. Is it €2? I'm not sure. I buy 5 of this. So guys, we need vitamin. You can see guys, vitamin C. The light is too much, don't start now. This is vitamin C. Okay, so I'm going to be using this with cooking. So this is all we need. So I'm putting the pasta here, so we don't need this. At least this will serve this will serve a big family. So it's very cheap cooking, and the kids, they're happy, and me too, I'm happy. The whole family, they're happy. Within 10 minutes we finish all this. We need 2 pot saucepan. We need this, we need that. So guys, that's it. It's a cooking butter. It's cream butter anyway, let me put it that way. And you need salt to enjoy, and you want your pasta to be pieces. Just add salt. Like me, I will know the amount of salt that will be okay for me. I don't really like a lot of salt, to be honest. I always laugh. I'm always like that. I love smiling. So we need 1 teaspoon. It could be 1 tablespoon for you, or 1 teaspoon. So I'm going to go ahead. I'll put 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of salt. This salt together. You don't really need to mix it together. It's just this habit of mine. So I know amount of pasta that is okay for my family. So that's how I cook my pasta. As a parent, you will know amount of pasta that will be enough for you and your family, even though as a single person, or mom to be or mother to be, glorious woman, we all know the equivalent of our moms. That will be enough for her. So that will be enough for the kitchen to clean this. So that's all. So I'll be right back. So you cook this. If you don't know how to cook pasta, please leave it at least 20 minutes and put the temperature medium temperature and keep on high and keep washing, because when it starts form, it's going to be the water is going to be splashed or spread all over the place. So when you cover it, you want to stay with the pasta, keep going, open, cover, open and cover, because of the foam. If you leave the foam is going to mess everywhere. So I'm going to be around, so I'll be back again. So guys, as the pasta is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and cook the mince beef. So what we need, we don't really actually need butter. This is cream butter. So at this point, I've put the electric cooker to medium temperature. So guys, as you can see, the pasta is done. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to seal the water. So it's done within 20 minutes. I timed myself, so it's 20 minutes. I give my perfect pasta. So I'm going to seal it. Want your pasta to be single, make sure you put salt or cream butter or butter, or especially salt, so it will not be mixed together. I like my pasta to be single space like that. So that is done. So we're going to go to this immediately. So it's ready. So just for the aroma, so I'm going to go ahead, gonna add the mince. So head and add your thyme, curry. Like I said, the sauce I'm going to be using, like I said, the sauce I'm going to be using have everything. So you can go to Lady or any shop of your choice. So it has everything. I really want to taste this sauce himself, the cheese and the mascarpone and the tomato Italian. This sauce is Italian. I really want to get the taste. So guys, exactly 20 minutes. So I'm going to reduce the temperature. I put it to low, very low temperature now. So that's it. At this point, you can add salt, pepper, or before this, I forgot to explain, before this you can add whatsoever. So I'm going to go ahead, guys. I actually know the amount of salt I really need. So just a little bit, just pinch of salt, tiny bit. And at this point, you can put chili pepper from Africa. Really, to add your dry pepper. To be honest, this key. So I don't really. I love. You can go ahead and add your dry chili, spicy pepper, and myself. One of my kids doesn't really like fruits, but it's a mascarpone sauce. So remember last time, guys, I showed you the other Italian mascarpone sauce for pasta. If you want more tomato, you can put red tomato, you can put this chili one again. They are the same product. So therefore you can get ordinary tomato puree, but I love this because of the Italian taste. So that is why I love this. So this is Italian sauce. So this is how the majority of them cook it, but they will be exclude all this. So I will just go ahead and we put like 2 to 3. I'll put like 4 teaspoons, equivalent of half of this. So half of the bottle. So you see the reason why I was saying that you don't really need oil or anything or vegetable sauce last time, because all this has their own vegetables. So it's going to give you Italian taste plus the tomato that I just had. So I'm going to show you guys. So are you going to make it? So that's it, and you leave it, you lower the low temperature and you leave it like for another 5 minutes for everything to be mixed together to give it that fine taste. So guys, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, share this video, share this. Now guys, I normally put whole here